Okay, gang, today I'm going to take the passenger seat out of my M3, and the reason why is I need to clean them and recondition. Actually, I'm gonna clean and recondition all the leather in the car. You can tell how nasty it is. You'll see once it's finished how nice, it almost brand new is gonna look afterwards. Look at the back seat. The back seat is awful. I mean, it's just awful. It's dry, it's dirty. You can barely see the real color of the leather. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna take them out, clean them first, and then condition them. I'm gonna show you how to take the front seat out. It's very simple. I'll show you the tools I'm gonna be using to take it out, and then we move forward from there. All right, these are the tools we're gonna utilize to take the seats out. Torque wrench, and I'll show you why. Pry tool, and I'm also gonna show you why. And T47. These three tools is what you need to take the seat out. Let's go and get the seat out. All right, the very first thing you had to do is just move the seat all the way back. And the reason why is because you have a T47 screw here and another one over here. And you gotta take these out. I already unloosened them, I'm just gonna take them out. And there you go. They're all out. Now you gotta move the seat all the way to the front. And you gotta take, which I already did, this one and this one out. You gotta take these two out. You gotta pry these little plastic screws that hold this plastic cover right here. There's one here, there's one there, and there's one there, a total of 3. And the last one is this one right here. And now the seat should be able to move or come out. Let's see if that's the case. There you go, there it is. Now I gotta lift it up and unplug it. So let me lift it up. See it? Once you lift up the seat, you gotta unplug these two things. And the way you unplug them is, you see this black piece here? You gotta pull it, and once you pull it, it releases it. So you take this one out, and this one over here, you just press it and just wiggle it just a little bit and pull it. And that's how you unplug it. And the seat is unplugged and ready to go out. The beauty out of taking the seats out of this M3 is that it's a convertible. If it was not a convertible and you had the top, it would have been much harder. This is a heavy, heavy seat. I'm gonna try to take it out by myself, but if I can, I'm gonna use my help, the cameraman, to help me take it out. Let's see if I can take it out. Let's see if I have the muscles to do it. I'm still gonna screw myself up here. And the seat is out. Okay, the seat is in the bench. It's heavy as heck. I don't understand how these seats are so heavy. I get it, the leather, the mechanics, the seat belt, because the seat belt is also integrated with the seat. It's in the bench, ready to be cleaned and conditioned. And once it's done, it should be better than it is right now. I hope it is. right, folks. E93 Project Seat Removal, cleaning and conditioning. It was a pain, but it was worth it. Let me show you how it turned out. Take a look at this. Just go around it so you can see it. They don't look brand new, but they look almost new. And the color is popping out. Before it was a dull color. Now it looks nice. And it's nice and soft though. And now it feels like leather. It doesn't feel like plastic. I took all the contaminants out. Whatever they use to treat, they probably never treated this leather, but now that it's treated, it feels nice. It feels like it should be. All right, so one thing that I want you guys to remember, when you take these seats out, which they're very heavy, they're about 80, 90 pounds each because of the airbags are inside the seats. Remember the following: if you take the seats out, or prior to taking the seats out, since there's airbags include, disconnect the battery. That's the first thing you should do. You should disconnect the battery, because if they deploy, it's going to hurt you. One. Two, if you disconnect it, it's going to give you errors in the car. It's going to give you airbag errors. And then you have to clear those errors. And if you don't have the computer to do that, if you don't have the software to do that, you have to bring it to a dealership. So remember that. Either do it while they're in the car, but if you take it out, disconnect the battery. One. Two, never start it, clean them up, put them back together, and you're good. All right? Till next video. 47 torque wrench. Should we do this again? All right, folks. Project Seat Removal, cleaning, and what was the other thing? Cleaning and shit.
Conditioning.
All right. Take two. Project Seat Removal, cleaning and conditioning. It was a pain in the